Let's create a new layer. Select the layer by pressing Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on Mac. Now we will fill it with 50% gray. Use the selection tool, right-click, then go to Fill and pick 50% gray from the contents. Change the blend mode to color. This is not the result we are aiming for. Create a selective color adjustment layer and place it below the gray layer. Adjust the sliders for all the colors and light to create more selective contrast in the photo and make the face stand out. Let's start adjusting. You can check my settings. As you can see, the selective color layer already makes a difference. Let's enhance it even more by creating two curves layers. We will adjust the brightness of the midtones on the face to make it stand out more. Adjust the range and the fuzziness. Curves are such a powerful tool in Photoshop to enhance photos. It's already improving. Create a second curves layer and work with the shadows to decrease the brightness. Now we pick the shadows and let's do our adjustments. Let's feather the mask. I will set it to 1.8. Now I will group the curves layers. It's already improving. You can see the difference. Next, let's brighten the eyes. To do this, create a new layer below the gray layer and paint over the iris with a white brush. Adjust the brush to the size of the iris. I will go with a hardness of 88. Don't forget to set the opacity of the brush to 100%. Once you are done, set the blend mode of the new layer to overlay. Then double-click on the layer and adjust the underlying layer to remove the brightness from the black areas by moving the slider from the dark to the bright zone on the scale. Let's set it to 66. We need to refine it more, so create a mask and use the black brush tool to erase those imperfections. I will set the opacity of the layer to 61%. I guess if we add some texture and clarity, the portrait will pop even more. Select the gray layer, and let's merge all that we did into one layer. Open the Camera Raw filter. On the Effects panel, increase the dehaze to create more contrast. Adjust the texture and clarity. I think I will set both to 25. Decrease the whites around -10 is good. Here's the difference. From color, simple black and white, to advanced black and white. If you are still here, I will be glad if you subscribe, as it encourages me to improve the content and keep going. And, as always, may we meet again.